Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about mutually exclusive events, or these are also sometimes called disjoint events. The definition of mutually exclusive or disjoint when we're talking about events or probability are two events that cannot happen at the same time. One way to visualize this is if you illustrated the two events as a Venn diagram. Mutually exclusive events have no overlap. Let's look at an example. Suppose we randomly select a U.S. senator, and I'm looking at two possible events here. Event A is that the senator represents California, and event B is that the senator represents Texas. So among all the possible U.S. senators, we can look at which of them represent California and which of them represent Texas. In this scenario, there are two representatives for California and two for Texas, and there are no representatives that represent both. So this is an example of mutually exclusive events. There's no overlap in the senators from California and the senators from Texas. And in my Venn diagram here, I have a circle representing California. The two current U.S. senators as of October 2025 are Padilla and Schiff. And in a separate circle representing Texas, the two representatives currently are Cornyn and Cruz. All other senators in our Venn diagram would be outside of both of these circles, and I've drawn the circles separately because there is no overlap. In contrast, suppose we had a different set of events. Our first event A is the senator that we randomly select is on the Finance Committee. So there are a group of people on the Finance Committee. Those would be within the finance circle in my Venn diagram. And event B, the senator that we select is on the Judiciary Committee. So the Judiciary Committee has another selection of senators. And at this time, October 2025, there are actually 5 U.S. senators that sit on both committees. In this case, I looked at a list of the committee members for the Finance Committee and the Judiciary Committee and just compared and saw which people were on both. I can't fit all of those people in my Venn diagram, but in theory, all the finance members would be in the blue circle. All of the judiciary members would be in the second red circle. And then the 5 who are in both are representative in this overlap. So the presence of the overlap means that these are not mutually exclusive. These two events, the senators on the Finance Committee and the senators on the Judiciary Committee, could happen at the same time if we had randomly selected one of those 5 U.S. senators that were in both groups. That's really all there is for mutually exclusive events. Thanks for watching.